So over here, you can see that I am in the home page of Jotboard. Let's say, for example, sometimes what happens is that the boards that you have don't load up correctly. In that case, you can actually go ahead and click on refresh, and the boards that you have will refresh out. If some board is not loading, then it'll refresh out. So right now you can see that I have all the boards being shown right here, and that is because I'm letting everything, my boards and the boards owned by others, to show up at the same place. So this is owned by anyone, as you can see right here. But if I were to actually go around over here and select to owned by me, then you only see the boards that you own, not the boards that has been shared with you. If I were to actually go around over here and choose not owned by me, then you'll be able to see the board right here, which is not owned by you. It's shared with you by others. So apart from that, what you can also do is, let's say, for example, go to sort by right here and sort by the newest updated first. So you can go ahead and choose that, or arrange sort it out by A to Z, or you can sort it out by Z to A right here as well, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and choose created. You can go for newest creation first or newest updated first, according to how you want, or oldest updated first and then oldest, let's say, created first right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and refresh, filter, and sort out boards in Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.